Hi, my name's Jay, and welcome to Slam Academy.
This is Slam Academy. We're a diverse family of working musicians with one important common bond, a deep love for the creative process of making music.
I hate every preset I've ever listened to. I just want to make all my own sounds. You have to have your own sound, otherwise you're not going to stick out.
United by our passion for creating, the Slam family exists to educate and support musicians of any age, any level, and in any genre.
I had been more to creating electronic music. Once I stepped into sound design, I was like, this is electronic music. This is like what I envisioned it being like.
Our community lives on and offline with live stream group classes, as well as in-person programs in Minneapolis. Our instructors meet you where you are and work to accelerate your musical journey to where you want to be.
It was frustrating in college being with all the music majors. You had all these classical musicians and I'm over here making beats, and I come here and I feel like these last 9 months I've learned more, way more for what I need to be doing.
With detailed courses in DJing, music production, recording, sound design, and more, Slam Academy is ready to show you what it takes to be an industry professional.
I was pleasantly surprised with how much I really could take away after only 12 sessions. I finished up and I am walking out with exactly the tools that I need to finish projects.
We want you to become a part of the Slam Academy family.
We've made for you here the most comprehensive Ableton Live program we could imagine. It's designed to take you from novice to pro. It'll have project files, instrument downloads, special guests, and a lot more. Now, I've divided this class into 6 different sections so that you can focus on what you want to learn right away. However, to really take full advantage of the program, start at the beginning and go to the end, or at least make sure you take all the sections at some point. In this class, we're going to be talking about what's new in Live 10. I'll be going through my entire curriculum and pulling out just the stuff that's new to Live 10. So if you're really familiar with Ableton Live 9, this is a perfect class for you to get up to speed quickly on what's new in Live 10. Is you're playing something and you liked it, and then you go back to record it and you can't quite find the same thing again, right? This is like when we're pulling down the volume and back up of the track, right? And I get to that just by pressing the letter A on my... Okay, so let's look at the basic wavetable interface, right? It's not that, it shouldn't be all that unfamiliar to you at this point. Because we have Echo plugin next. Now this is one of the new ones. This is only available in Live 10. It's a little funky. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. This can be so we have 3 different types of distortion here. We have overdrive, distortion, and buzz. The interface in the screen area on the push 2 is really unbelievable. And the new stuff that's in Live 10, they've really kind of upped their game on what it looks like on the push 2. So check it out. I have here a wavetable, right? That's a new one.